Welcome back to MarineMax. Wanted to take this time to show you our new arrival 2025 Saxdor SX320 GTO. You'll see this boat is in the white hull side and it's a really great look. We're excited to have it. Let's hop aboard and check it out. Welcome aboard this 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO that we just received for stock here at our Lake Norman store. This boat's powered with the twin white 300 horsepower V8 Verados. It's got the joystick piloting as well. It's a perfect power package for this boat. It's a near 60-mile-an-hour boat in this configuration. As you step inside, the first thing you're going to notice here in the cockpit on the aft section of the boat is that this boat is designed for entertaining. It's got a very flexible layout here. We've got beaches both port and starboard that will open out to expand your entertainment center. New for 2025, they've redesigned their seat mechanisms. So you've got easy access to your storage on the aft section here. This seat also does convert into a full sunbed and fills in this little table section here. Another neat thing they've done for 2025 is they've totally revamped the mechanism on this center row seat. So it's much easier to flip these for your aft facing section. And you've got the rails like last year to slide this forward to give you a little bit more room here when you're sitting at the table. Here on the starboard side, you're gonna have a lot of controls for your entertainment zone. You're gonna have things like your terraces on port and starboard, as well as controls for your technical hatch to access your bilge. You've also got your fresh water pump for your shower here on your starboard side. Now that I'm standing here under this hardtop, you'll see this boat does have the entertainment center on it. You can open it up here. We've got a dual burner Kenyan electric grill. We've got a really nice sink basin, as well as a dedicated spot for a cutting board. We've got 6 cup holders up here, so plenty of room for your drinks. We've also got a couple drawers down below here for storage for some of your items. This boat does have dual refrigerators, so they're available on both port and starboard. And there's slide outs here, so you've got plenty of room for your beverages. Up here at the helm, it's going to be a great place to be on this boat. I'm 6'3", I've got plenty of room here to stand under this T-top. A nice little deep recess section here to give you that headroom. You've got 3 captain's chairs here with bolsters that flip up. All 3 do slide forward and aft. You've got a central driving position on this boat. Gives you ultimate visibility up here, as well as that ability to slide forward and back and bolster. Got a great padded footrest here as well. This boat, like many of our boats in stock, like I mentioned, will have the joystick piloting system, as well as a bow thruster. This thing is a breeze to move around at low speeds. Got twin Mercury throttles here for your V8s. Really easy control. You've also got all of your joystick features like skyhook and things like that. You've got main controls for things like your horn, your wiper, and your lighting up here. Got a wireless phone charger and then a Simrad VHF down on the starboard side. The cabin here on this 320 GTO is one of our favorite places to be. You're gonna notice tons of natural light down here. We've also got shades here on the port side to give you even more. You're gonna have your access panel for all your fusing and switching here for the boat. So it's a great place to control that. You've also got a JL audio head unit down here as well. Up here at the bow, you're gonna have reading lights, both port and starboard, as well as access to your hatches up here on the bow. You can cover those with cushions, or you can leave them open for this for a little bit more lighting. Then over here on the starboard side, you got a couple great options. So first is gonna be your head door. It's a really trick system here, where it actually will make a full enclosure of your head, just like that. Allow you some privacy on the boat. And then you're gonna have some storage in this cabinet here, for things like your owner's pack or some towels or something like that. Let's go ahead and hop aboard upstairs and check out the bow. As we walk towards the bow on this boat, you're gonna see we've got a nice wide port and starboard walk-through. Gives you some flexibility to get to and from the bow. We've got midship cleats up here forward, as well as rails to help you feel safe moving up and down on the boat. This boat does have the full pad installed, which can be removed and stowed. You've got great cup holders on here as well. You've got the bow hatch up here, which gives you access to your full chain windlass down below. You can control this from the helm, as well as on the remote fob included with the boat. One thing to note while we are up here at the bow, is this boat does have the optional sunroof on the top of the T-top. It's gonna give you a little bit of battery regen. Also kind of a cool thing to see up here on a boat like this. That's been a quick walkthrough on our new arrival 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. If you guys want any more information on this boat in particular or any of our others, give us a call, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, or check us out at MarineMax.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.